Hi guys, we gonna talk about how to install VMware Workstation Pro 17 on your desktop or laptop, and configure its same IP address as your local network. But before we proceed, I want you to download the Microsoft Redistributable 2015 as part of the installation requirement. And I assume that you already downloaded the VMware Workstation Pro 17 on your laptop or desktop. First, we gonna open the Microsoft Redistributable 2015. Once it's done, it will prompt you to restart or close to proceed. In my case, I have to restart my workstation. After restarting, we can open the VMware Workstation Pro 17 to start the installation process. Once the setup wizard is ready, click the Next button to proceed. Tick the license agreement and click the Next button. Click the Next button again. Next. Click Install and wait for the setup process. Once the setup is completed, add your license, or in my case, I go ahead and click Finished button. Now that the installation is complete, go ahead and open the VMware Workstation Pro 17 for additional configuration. Now go to the Edit menu and select the Virtual Network Editor. On Virtual Network Editor, click the Change Settings on the right portion below. You will notice that VNet 0 network is added on the top. On the bridge connection below, you will see that I am only using one NIC adapter in my workstation. I can now remove the rest of network aside from VNet 0. Then select my NIC adapter as a bridge connection. Select Apply and OK. In order for us check, I created one VM and installed Windows 10 operating system to check if the network is indeed same as the local network. First, I go ahead and open the host workstation and check what IP address is receiving from the DHCP server. Then let's open SA Virtual Machine in the VMware Workstation if the IP address is same network as the host. Now let us ping the host. Therefore, the VMware Workstation Pro 17 is now same network as our local network. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our more video.